In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 3, and I'm gonna show you how to perform initial setup on this device. First, let's tap on the screen. Now we can select the language from the list. In our case, we're gonna select English. Here we can pair with the watch with our phone, but we're gonna skip it by tapping the red button. Now we can select the gender. Here we can choose the type of units we want to use, for example, statue or metric. We're gonna select metric, for example. Now we need to enter the year of our birth. Then let's tap the green check mark on the middle to confirm. Now let's enter height. And tap the check mark. Now let's enter weight. And confirm by tapping the check mark. Here we can select on which wrist we're gonna wear our watch. For example, left or right. Now we can select on which side the side button is gonna be positioned. Select on the right. Here we can select the hour format we want to use, for example 12 hours or 24 hours. Now we can select to auto set time from the GPS, but we're gonna skip it. Now we can enter the local time. And confirm by tapping the check mark. And the setup is complete. That should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.